Here we go. First one of the season right here.
Service. The National Weather Service has issued Severe Thunderstorm Watch number 69, effective until 9 p.m. This watch includes the following counties in Delaware, Kent, and Cecil, Maryland, and the following counties in New Jersey, Burlington, Camden, Cumberland, Gloucester, Mercer, London, and Salem, and the following counties in Pennsylvania, Bucks, Chester, Delaware, Montgomery, and Philadelphia, and the following marine locations: Delaware Bay waters north of East Point, New Jersey to Slaughter Beach, Delaware, and Chesapeake Bay north of Pools Island, Maryland. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds in and close to the watched area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Repeating, Severe Thunderstorm Watch number 69 has been issued until 9 p.m. for the following counties in Delaware, Kent and Newcastle, and Cecil, Maryland, and the following counties in New Jersey, Burlington, Camden, Cumberland, Gloucester, Mercer, Monmouth, and Salem, and the following counties in Pennsylvania, Bucks, Chester, Delaware, Montgomery, and Philadelphia, and the following marine locations: Delaware Bay waters north of East Point, New Jersey to Slaughter Beach, Delaware, and Chesapeake Bay north of Pools Island, Maryland. The following is a special weather statement from Chesapeake Bay from Pools Island to Sandy Point, Maryland. Chesapeake Bay from Sandy Point to North Beach, Maryland. Chesapeake Bay north of Pools Island, Maryland. Chester River to Queenstown, Maryland. Eastern Bay, Patapsco River including Baltimore Harbor until 7:30 p.m. At 5:25 p.m., severe thunderstorms capable of producing waterspouts were located along a line extending from 25 nautical miles northwest of Middle River to 18 nautical miles north of Key Bridge, moving east at 35 knots. Hazard, wind gusts in excess of 50 knots and waterspouts possible. Source, radar indicated. Impact, boaters could easily be thrown overboard by suddenly higher wind and waves capsizing their vessel. Boats could suffer significant damage in high winds. Waterspouts can easily overturn boats and create locally hazardous seas. Locations impacted include North Point State Park, Magothy River, Chester River, Eastern Bay, Pools Island, Greenberry Point, Highland Beach, Gunpowder River, Sandy Point State Park, Severn River, Thomas Point Light, Parsons Island, Fort Smallwood State Park, Pinehurst, Turkey Point, Hart Miller Island, Gibson Island, Bodkin Point, Tilchester Beach, and Worden Point. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes. Here is the official
Wait, what in the world?
The National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Harford County in northern Maryland, Cecil County in northeastern Maryland until 6:30 p.m. At 5:43 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Stewartstown to near Cottiusville, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damaging winds will cause some trees and large branches to fall.
Wait, what?
This could injure those outdoors, as well as damage homes and vehicles.
What is
Roadways
this?
may become blocked by downed trees. Localized power outages are possible. Unsecured light objects may become projectiles. Locations impacted include Elkton, Aberdeen, Happy Delaware, Grace, Calvert, Bel Air South, Bel Air North, Northeast, Jarrettsville, Rising Sunshine, Charlestown, Cecileton, Blake, Bohemia's Mills, West Nottingham, Bayview, Lombard, Richardsmere, Woodlawn, Cherry Hill, and Conoingo. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6:30 p.m. for the following counties in Maryland, Cecil, and Hartford. The current time is 5:45 p.m. Thunderstorm warning for Newcastle County in northern Delaware, south central Montgomery County in southeastern Pennsylvania, Chester County in southeastern Pennsylvania, western Delaware County in southeastern Pennsylvania, until 7 p.m. At 6:12 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Honeybrook to Rising Sunshine, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damage to roofs, siding, trees, and power lines is possible. Locations impacted include Wilmington, Newark, Middletown, Westchester, Norristown, Phoenixville, West Norton, East Norton, Pennsville, Coatesville, Westtown, Carneys Point, Downingtown, Ellesmere, Kennett Square, Newcastle, Penns Grove, Oxford, Parkersburg, and West Grove. This includes the following highways: Pennsylvania Turnpike between mile markers 301 and 331. Northeast extension near mile marker 24. Interstate 95 in Pennsylvania between mile marker 0 and 1. Interstate 95 in Delaware between mile marker 0 and 23. Interstate 76 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 327 and 330.
Oh, no.
Interstate 476 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 12 and 14. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. This severe thunderstorm may contain little or no lightning. Do not wait until you hear thunder before taking cover. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7 p.m. for the following counties in Pennsylvania: Chester, Delaware, and Montgomery, and Newcastle, Delaware. The following is a severe thunderstorm watch announcement.
Oh my god.
The National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey, issued a special marine warning for Upper Delaware Bay until 7:15 p.m. At 6:20 p.m., a line of showers was located along a line extending from 14 nautical miles north of Northeast River to near Havre, Delaware Grace, moving east at 40 knots. Hazard, wind gusts to nearly 50 knots. Source, radar. Impact, small craft could be damaged in briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include Keepatch Island, Stony Point, and Reedy Point. Move to safe harbor immediately as gusty winds and high waves are expected. The following is a severe thunderstorm watch announcement from the National Weather. Thunderstorm warning for southern Morris County in northern New Jersey, Hunterdon County in northwestern New Jersey, southeastern Warren County in northwestern New Jersey, Mercer County in central New Jersey, Somerset County in northern New Jersey, northwestern Middlesex County in northern New Jersey, east central Montgomery County in southeastern
Is that enough time for you?
Bucks County in southeastern Pennsylvania until 7:30 p.m. At 6:42 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Beach down to near Lansdale, moving east at 40 miles per hour.
Shut up, I heard you the first time.
60 miles per hour with gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damage to roofs, siding, trees, and power lines is possible. Locations impacted include Trenton, Morristown, Somerville, Bridgewater, Ewing, Lansdale, Madison, Middlesex, East Norton, Princeton, Florham Park, East Hanover, Brook, Manville, Chatham, Doylestown.
Did he go on WSL 39?
Bedminster, and Washington.
Probably did.
This includes the following highways: Pennsylvania Turnpike between mile markers 340 and 352,
No, not
and
this
between
shit.
mile markers 354 and 357. Northeast extension between mile markers 23 and 27. Interstate 78 in New Jersey between mile markers 10 and 43. Interstate 195 in New Jersey near mile marker 0. Interstate 295 in New Jersey between mile marker 60 and 76. Interstate 287 in New Jersey between mile markers 9 and 39. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. This severe thunderstorm may contain little or no lightning. Do not wait until you hear thunder before taking cover. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7:30 p.m. New Jersey, Hunter, Mercer, Middlesex,
We're good, we're
Morris,
good.
Somerset,
Nothing.
and Warren, and the following counties in Pennsylvania.
What? Wait, what happened?
Nice job, you reached your time limit.
Here is the official.
Oh my god, again.
I'll be right back. Let me close the door.
The National Weather Service, Holly, New Jersey, has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Newcastle County in northern Delaware, Salem County in southern New Jersey, Camden County in southern New Jersey, south central Mercer County in central New Jersey, Gloucester County.
This
in
is a
southern New
humongous
Jersey,
one.
Northwestern
Holy
Wilmington
crap.
County in
Oh
southern
my
New Jersey,
God.
Western Monmouth County in central New Jersey, southeastern Montgomery County in southeastern Pennsylvania, southeastern County in southeastern Pennsylvania, Philadelphia County in
Here,
southeastern
Philadelphia, let's go!
Delaware County in southeastern Pennsylvania until 7:30 p.m. At 6:46 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located
Oh my God.
along the line extending from Norristown to Arden to Pennsville, moving east at 55 miles per hour. This line of storms has a history of producing wind damage.
Oh my God!
60 miles per hour.
This line of it has a history of producing wind damage.
Public. Impact.
Oh my God.
Sighting, trees, and
Oh
power
my
lines
God.
is possible. Locations impacted include
This is,
Philadelphia,
oh my God.
Wilmington,
Holy
Violet,
shit.
Gloucester City, Cherry Hill, Bensalem, Evesham, Mount Laurel,
I'll be down in a sec.
Chester, Willingboro, Deptford, Voorhees, Medford, West Deptford, Glassboro, Lindenwold, West Norton, and Hamilton. This includes the following highways.
Hey, I'm
New
gonna
Jersey Turnpike
have
between
to have
exits
dinner,
1 and
okay?
7A.
Okay.
Pennsylvania
And then I'll
Turnpike
call you
between
back.
mile markers 327 and
Oh, done.
359. Northeast extension between mile markers 21 and 23. Interstate 95 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 0 and 40. Interstate 95 in Delaware between mile markers 17 and 23. Interstate 76 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 327 and 351. Interstate 76 in New Jersey between mile markers 0 and 3. Interstate 195 in New Jersey between mile markers 9 and 10.
Nah, not really.
Interstate 295 in New Jersey between mile markers 0 and 60. Interstate. Here is the official national. The National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Ocean County in southern New Jersey, Mercer County in central New Jersey, southeastern Somerset County in northern New Jersey, Monmouth County in central New Jersey, Middlesex County in northern New Jersey until 8:30 p.m. At 7:16 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Morristown to Millstone to Trenton, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour with gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damage to roofs, siding, trees, and power lines is possible. Locations impacted include Trenton, New Brunswick, Perth Amboy, Long Branch, Asbury Park, Somerville, Sandy Hook, Somerset, Edison, Middletown, Old Bridge, Howell, East Brunswick, South Brunswick, Sayreville, North Brunswick, Marlborough, Manalapan, and Ewing. This includes the following highways: New Jersey Turnpike between exits 8 and 12. Interstate 78 in New Jersey between mile markers 38 and 42. Interstate 195 in New Jersey between mile markers 0 and 34. Interstate 295 in New Jersey between mile markers 59 and 71. Interstate 287 in New Jersey between mile markers 0 and 16. Garden State Parkway between mile markers 93 and 133. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. This severe thunderstorm may contain little or no lightning. Do not wait until you hear thunder before taking cover. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 8:30 p.m. for the following counties in New Jersey: Mercer, Middlesex, Monmouth, Ocean, and Somerset. The National Weather Service for The National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Central Atlantic County in southern New Jersey, Ocean County in southern New Jersey, Camden County in southern New Jersey, southeastern Gloucester County in southern New Jersey, Burlington County in southern New Jersey, southern Monmouth County in central New Jersey until 8:30 p.m. At 7:19 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Florence, Wilmington near Rabblewood to Malaga, moving east at 50 miles per hour. The storm has a history of producing wind damage. Hazard, 70 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, trained weather spotters.
Oh.
Impact, expect considerable tree damage. Damage is likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Toms River, Lakewood, Cherry Hill, Jackson, Evesham, Mount Laurel, Willingboro, Voorhees, Medford, Barna, Gett, Glassboro, Lindenwold, Hamilton, Lumberton, Florence, Beechwood, Burlington, Bristol, Mount Holly, and Brigantine. This includes the following highways: New Jersey Turnpike between exits 4 and 7A. Interstate 195 in New Jersey near mile marker 13, in between mile markers 15 and 34. Interstate 295 in New Jersey between mile markers 32 and 58. Garden State Parkway between mile markers 41 and 99. Atlantic City Expressway between mile markers 14 and 44. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. This severe thunderstorm may contain little or no lightning. Do not wait until you hear thunder before taking cover. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 8:30 p.m. for the following counties in New Jersey: Atlantic, Burlington, Camden, Gloucester, Monmouth, and Ocean. The National Weather Service forecast for the Philadelphia